We're excited to relaunch our scheduling capability. Say you have a previously executed task with a bunch of results. Now you can schedule it to run on a frequency that exact same sequence of steps that you previously figured out the prompt to execute for. You can even modify the prompt here. And the best part is you can configure it to append to the same sheet that was the previous output. So you can have something running on schedule. You can even ask the LLM to output like a column of timestamps so you can differentiate between the multiple rows and executions. And you can even use the open tab that you have. You can just have it running. Like Discord is notorious for being anti-bot protections. So you can just leave the Discord tab and just have the scheduler reuse that same tab all the time. So just set the name and so you can set a frequency or some time for it to run. So like x minutes you can set every x minutes, or you can just say once and enable the schedule, and then it's set. The schedule kicked off and you can see it's re-chose execution of this tab that was already open, and it will output the results to the same continuous running sheet that you can use to maintain. So it just wrote the new values, new timestamp, and yeah, now you can have a constantly running monitoring job using your authenticated browser tabs at the cost of free. So once again, like our browser extension is free if you bring your own Gemini API key.